What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Jimmy's Garage. Today's video, I just wanted to show you guys this awesome Wheelbarrow air compressor that I recently restored. This is just a video to show you this thing and tell you what I did with it. I'm not going to show you the tear down and everything. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it because I think it's really cool. This is an old Dayton air compressor. Now, Dayton renamed to Speed Air. I'm not sure how long ago, so the brand Dayton is pretty outdated, so I would put this thing at least 20 years old. So anyways, I picked this guy up for 60 bucks from a guy a couple towns over. It only built to 60 PSI. It was leaking air out of a couple different spots, mainly the pressure switch. And so I got it for a really good deal. These go for about $800 new at any store for a good Wheelbarrow air compressor. So I thought, why not? So the only money I had to spend on this thing really was a pressure switch. This was $9 on Amazon, and I also put a new belt right in there. I think that was $8 or $9 at Tractor Supply Company. But basically what I did is I disassembled the entire thing. I removed the pump, I removed the motor, I removed all the wires, and I sanded the entire tank down, and boy, was that a project. The previous owner used this for painting, and I think he did a spray-on ceiling, and there was crap all over it. So I stripped all the paint off, wire wheeled it right down to bare metal, and cleaned it up, and then I painted and primed it. Anything that was black, I painted black. This is originally blue, and now it's moss, or I call it tactical green, and I think it looks really sharp. This thing builds to 115 PSI in about 2.5 minutes, and it clicks back on when it hits 80. It's a great versatile machine to have, and I really like it, but it's a little bit too wide for my shop, so I am selling it. But I just thought I'd show you guys what you can get for 60 bucks and really not spend any money. The only tools you need to do a project like this are wrenches. I used an adjustable, open-ended wrenches, and a socket, or a ratchet. This is the paint that I buy at Home Depot. It's moss green. I usually have a couple cans on hand because I really like the color. I used painter's tape to tape off the stickers so they can remain in good shape after I spray everything. And I used a grinder with a wire wheel attachment to get all the paint off and get it down to bare metal. The reason it was only building to 60 PSI was because the switch was leaking air pretty crazy, and then some of the threads were leaking air too, so I made sure I re-Tefloned everything nicely before I put it all back together. I did a thorough oil change and filled it up with compressor oil, and this thing is an absolute beast. I love it. Like I said, it builds pressure quickly, and I think it looks really sharp after all is said and done. So again, just a quick video to show you what you can do with only about 20, maybe 30 bucks most in parts to get a really great running machine for your shop or whatever you need an air compressor for. So guys, thank you for watching this quick video. I appreciate your support. Smash that like button, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, please have a great day. Stay safe, be good to one another.